Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 3 birds. In today's session, we are going to learn about importance of birds. In this sitting, we learn about bird sanctuary. The first one, Kaladiu National Park in Rajasthan. The second one is Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Let us go into the session.
Today we are going to learn about importance of birds and bird sanctuary. First let us learn importance of birds. Birds play a very important role for living organisms and environment. They protect the crops by eating away the harmful insects that attack the crops. Birds eat the fruits and help in the spreading of seeds. The droppings of birds improve the fertility of soil. Birds are facing a lot of danger due to cutting of trees, hunting, etc. Thus, our government has set up several sanctuaries to protect the birds. The feeding relationship among all the animals in an ecosystem help prevent any one species from becoming too numerous. Birds play a vital role in keeping this balance of nature. In addition to being important part of food webs, birds play other role within ecosystems. Birds eat insects. What is the biggest threat to birds? That is habitat loss. It is a little surprise then that habitat losses is the greatest threat to birds. There are few habitats on earth that have not been affected by humans as we modify and reshape the land around us. We damage or destroy natural habitat of birds. Children, do you know why should we protect birds and animals? For maintaining a healthy ecological balance on this earth, animals, plants, and marine species are as important as humans. Each organism on this earth has a unique place in food chain that helps contribute to the ecosystem in its own special way. But sadly today, many of the animals and birds are getting endangered. Now let us learn importance of birds to human and environment. Birds that eat other animals or predator birds have an important role in the food chain. They keep rodents under control, keeping farmers. Birds help stop the spread of some diseases. Birds spread pollen and seed to help reproduction of plants. Now let us know the difference between sanctuaries and national park. Wildlife sanctuary can be understood as the region where wildlife and their habitat is protected from any disturbance. On the other hand, national park are highly known preserving the flora and fauna landscape and historical objects. Now let us learn bird sanctuary. Several bird sanctuaries have been established to protect the natural habitat of birds. Let us study about some of them. First, we are going to learn about Kaladiu National Park. Kaladiu National Park, otherwise Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is a man-made sanctuary located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Many migratory birds come here during winter season. The famous Siberian crane visit this sanctuary. In polar regions, animals have to face extreme winter since it is difficult to survive in such extreme climate. Some birds living in these regions move to warmer regions. They return to their native place once the conditions are favorable again. This is known as migration. Siberian cranes migrate to India from Russia, covering a distance of 6,450 kilometers. Next, we are going to learn about Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest bird sanctuary in India. It is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. This sanctuary has many lakes. Several birds came to the sanctuary during migratory season. Some of the birds visiting this sanctuaries are herons, storks, spoonbills, terns, and pelicans. The local people of Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary found that the dropping of the bird made the soil of the area fertile and increased the productivity of soil.
I hope children you all got clear information about importance of bird and information about bird sanctuary. Thank you. Have a nice day.